The first thing that you should talk about in the first meeting with a lawyer is money. Because in civil cases, that's what it's about. It's not about retribution. It's not about getting even. It's about recovering money for the client. So, how do you pay a lawyer? Well, I used to work for insurance companies. I used to work for big companies, and they used to pay me by the hour. And so every hour I worked, I'd write it down, and then we'd send them a bill at the end of the month, and they would pay the bill sometimes. In a personal injury case, when I'm representing you, I only receive money if I win for you or if I come through for you. In Illinois, as in most states, in order for you to hire a lawyer, there must be a written fee agreement. And that written fee agreement lays it out. This is how the typical fee agreement works. You sign an agreement with the lawyer that says, Mr. Lawyer, you will receive a percentage of the amount of recovery plus the costs that you incur in representing me. So say, for example, you come to me, you've been hit by a truck, it's a bad situation, you need the help of a lawyer. I come meet with you, I must give you a written fee agreement. We talk about it in our first meeting. You agree to that. You end up paying at the end of the case, which could be a year, 2 years, sometimes 4 or 5 years. You end up paying only if we win for you. And so you end up paying us a percentage of whatever we recover, plus you reimburse us for all of the costs that we incur. What are some of the costs that are incurred? Well, we're very, very frugal with respect to cost because we understand that comes out of your recovery. So we make believe it's like we represent our relatives or our significant other. And we want to make sure we only pay those costs which are absolutely necessary for your case. What are they? Well, typically it involves a filing fee. So anything that's out of pocket from us, we front that for you, which is ethical under the rules. And we will file your case. We have to pay folks to take depositions as far as the costs for our court reporter. We have to pay expert fees. We have to pay doctors, all those types of things. And so that are some of the costs and fees that come out of it. So typically, you will not be digging into your pocket to pay us, just like an insurance company does when I was a defense lawyer. You won't be paying us anything. At the end of the case, we'll take that money out of the amount that we recover for you, depending on the strength of the case.